How to turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings. Now scroll down. Navigate to the option of Face ID and passcode. Now enter your phone's passcode over here. You will be directed to this page. Now scrolling down, you'll find the option of Device Stolen Protection. Now what you have to do is click on the option Turn off Protection. You'll get this kind of pop-up security delay required to change stolen device protection. This feature won't be disabled right away, but it will be disabled after 1 hour. So click on the option of Start Security Delay. With that, you have just gone through the process for turning off stolen device protection on your iPhone. After completion of 1 hour, this feature will be disabled. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily turn off stolen device protection on any iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.